Since 2016, a petition bordering on alleged financial fraud was written to the EFCC, Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, seeking the investigation of former governor of Edo State, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole. The allegation borders on diversion of Edo State fund by Comrade Oshiomhole to his personal use. While urging the court to issue an order of mandamus on the EFCC to investigate the respondent, counsel to the plaintiff, Dr. West Idahosa, says Section 65 of the Constitution hinged on the need to abolish or reduce corruption in Nigeria. He informed the court that there are documents and electronic pictures of palatial houses of the former governor whose earnings all his life cannot acquire. He added also that there are evidence on how the former governor of Edo State diverted money for Edo State project to personal projects. He revealed that there are vouchers of exorbitant airfares he incurred, stressing that the amount of airfares are enough to buy a carrier for Edo people. Dr. Idahosa says there are receipts of how the ex-governor used huge amount of money of the state to repair his private vehicles. Dr. Idahosa ended by urging the court to grant the relief that the application is key to fighting corruption in Nigeria. He added that the EFCC has arrested and prosecuted lesser crimes, and there is no reason why the anti-graft agency should ignore the petition. In his ruling, Justice Anwuri Chikere set October 23rd for both Comrade Adams Oshiomhole and EFCC to appear before the court. The court also ordered the plaintiff to put Comrade Oshiomhole and the EFCC on notice within 5 days. After the adjournment, counsel to Bishop Osadolor Ochei, Barrister West Idahosa, while speaking to press, says a feat has been achieved.
We brought an application before the court to give us leave to issue another mandamus on the FCC to arrest and investigate Adams Oshiomhole on the basis of an application made by our firm on behalf of Bishop Ochei, the applicant. And we have had the first bite of the cherry today, and after our argument, the court says rather than grant this application, he wants Oshiomhole and to come before the court. And we have 5 days to serve them with our motion containing our allegations and exhibits, and after that I expect them to respond, and on the 23rd of October issues will have been joined for the main argument between the applicant and them. I consider this a very remarkable step.
The plaintiff, Bishop Osadolor Ochei, also expresses satisfaction at the decision of the court.
I have been pursuing this cause since 2016 when Comrade Adams Oshiomhole was still a governor of Edo State. And I felt that he has shortchanged the public, he has shortchanged the Edo people, and by empirical evidences at my disposal, I decided to approach EFCC, wrote severally to EFCC, came to Abuja severally, and they ignored me. They are playing politics with the future of our children and grandchildren in Nigeria. And that is why I approached the Federal High Court, Abuja, that sat today to give a ruling and a further direction on what we will do. Very, very satisfied.
This is the first time the former governor of Edo State, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, who is the national chairman of the ruling All Progressive Congress, APC, will be summoned to appear in the Federal High Court, Abuja Division, to respond to allegations bordering on financial fraud. Joseph Kadiri, ITV News, Abuja.